In this video, I'll show you how to buy Telegram Premium on Split. First, you need to connect your Ton wallet. I'm using my Telegram wallet, so I'll open it. Split wants to connect to Ton Space. Click Connect. Now, Split is connected to Ton Space. Next, go over here and click Buy Premium and Stars. As you can see, you can purchase either Telegram Premium or Telegram Stars. I'm going to click Gift Premium to User. Here you need to input your Telegram username or the username of any Telegram user you want. You can paste it in any format. Just copy it from Telegram and paste it here. Split will find the Telegram user and display their name. Now, choose the Telegram Premium duration. I'm going to select 3 months. Click Gift Telegram Premium. I need to pay 1.714 ton. Compared to Fragment's price, this is about 2% higher. On Split, we pay this 2% commission to skip verification, which is required when using Fragment. Additionally, there is a common ton network fee of 0.003 ton. Click Confirm. The transaction is sent. Now, wait about a minute for the premium to be added to your Telegram account. Let's check. I'll open Telegram, and as you can see, I have received 3 months premium. You can also find the blue star in your Telegram profile menu right here. To sum up, previously you could only use Fragment to buy Telegram Premium. However, Fragment now requires verification. If you don't want to pass verification, Split is a great alternative. The link is in the description down below. Subscribe if you found this information useful. Thanks for watching.